I'm here at Animal Food Park with the food truck next to me is called Infinit. Now, they're serving up food very interesting with ceviche, chile, and a few other interesting items. So, why not? Let's check it out. This is Infinit.
And our fan favorite plate, it's the birria queso tacos. And then the way to make birria queso tacos, you can just get any kind of meat. It's got to be a special kind of meat, and there's a lot of preparation on the birria. Birria, in order to be birria, has to be marinated for like 12 hours before you can cook it. And then the juice that comes with the tacos, it's the consomme, and the consomme, it's the broth that comes out of the meat. So once you cook the birria, we get the consomme, we get it in the pan, and then the way to make the tacos, you get your tortillas, you dip them in the consomme that came right out of the meat, dip them in there, throw a little bit of oil on the pan, on the plancha, fry them, throw a little bit of cheese, get your meat in there, close it, fry it, and then boom. On the meat, it's real simple. This recipe is my dad's. It's different from everybody's, but it's real simple. All you gotta get, if you want to do it at home, if you want to do it anywhere, just get you some chile guajillos, get you some garlic, get you some caminos, and then black pepper. Throw it in there. You have to marinate the meat. Don't boil it. You have to marinate it. Throw it in the horno, in the pozo, and then boom. And all the juice that comes out of that meat, that's where you dip your taco with. These kind of tacos, you can't just get any cheese. You gotta get the real cheese. We use mozzarella cheese, the best one there is out there.
Now, I see the chile, I see the...
Don't forget your consomme. There's always a cup in here. This is the secret for these tacos.
All right.
Squeeze some little bit of lime.
All right, so squeeze some lime.
And then dip it in there.
Dip it in there. And then go for it.
And then go for it.
All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and do this. It's nice and tight. Let's do this. Ooh.
That cheese.
Guys, the cheese and the lemon in this sauce, whatever you put in the sauce, I know you won't tell us, but whatever you put in the sauce, that is good, guys. You guys got to try and come out. The crunch is really crunchy. It's not too wet. It's not too dry. You're talking about a really delicate.
It's baso caso. Most places.
That's ceviche. That ceviche we make over here, it's a mixed ceviche mixto. You gotta get your fish. You gotta get your